Let's move over to gutters first thing. And gutters, so I used to think, what can you be construction crazy about gutters? Well, amazingly enough, we have it. So here we go. First one, gutters. Now here you go. Look here, look here. Somebody literally forgot to put any screws to put this together. They didn't even all they did was slide it together and prayed. I hope they prayed, but apparently they didn't pray long enough, right? Look at this. How in the world can you do this and have it hanging like that? And now it's just falling off the wall. This is a commercial job, so and really not far from where we're sitting right now. And but the next one's even. Okay, all right, we'll just get to it because you're not going to believe this. Here you go. Oh, I got my beer can. Now, am I hiding my beer can in the gutter, downspout? Or am I trying to slow down the flow of water? This is hilarious. I saw this actually down in a commercial project again, and this was on a storage unit. And actually, I'm not for sure what was happening there, but we had some people living in there that wasn't supposed to be living in the storage units. I guess that's common in some parts of the country. But look at it, a can stuck in there. I don't know what to say about that. I guess it was empty. I didn't check. I should have, huh? So a beer can and the downspout. Everybody's got to have one of them. So let's move on to the next one. This is a good one too. And this was, and you've seen me talk about this before on other ones. This is a commercial project. This is actually on the roof and where the water runs down to their hidden gutter, which then goes out to the side. And you can see they literally, this is just one of the many of the pictures. They have trees growing in them. Trees. Now, I guess that's a great spot because they literally have lots of water, getting well watered and everything, but I don't think that's really going to be really conducive to allowing water flow, right? And it's not even a fun plant, you know? It's just a regular old plant. So this is, we see a lot of times plants and stuff growing in it, but this just happened to be one that I just thought was hilarious. And the people that was buying the building, they might not have thought it was as funny as I did, but they did get a chuckle out of it. And then they got out there and cleaned it up. So this is what you get, and this is some of the nutty stuff we find.